So our next concept is initial rate method. The concept work talks about initial rate method. So what is rate? Rate is according to rate law, rate equation is directly proportional to concentration of reactants raised to the powers of their own stoichiometric coefficients. So if you take in this particular equation, an acetic acid is reacting with an ethyl alcohol to form an ester. So it is going to be a bimolecular reaction, second order reaction. The rate of reaction with respect to initial rate when each solution is diluted with equal volume of water. So this is going to be the second part. The first part is what is the initial rate when acetic acid and ethyl alcohol reacts. Then what will be the final rate when they are diluted with equal volume of water. So there are two parts to be taken care in this. So to understand this particular question, let us go with the options, the data what we have. Acetic acid CH3COOH reacting with ethyl alcohol C2H5OH giving you an ester. So I am not ready to take anything about this ester, how much required. So we are only concentrating on the reactant side. So what is the data about the acetic acid is given? It is given 1 liter and 2 molar. And what is the data about ethyl alcohol given? It is 1 liter and 3 molar. We know number of moles is equals to molarity into volume in liters. This is the formula. So what we can say, initial number of moles of acetic acid. What is initial number of moles of acetic acid becomes 2 moles. And initial moles of ethyl alcohol becomes 3 moles. So at time t is equals to 0, these are added to each other. These are added to each other where this 2 moles is per 1 liter and this 3 moles is per 1 liter added to each other. Let us understand this way. You have taken 2 moles of acid, 2 moles of acid in 1 liter vessel. You have taken 3 moles of alcohol, 3 moles of alcohol in 1 liter of vessel. When both are added, now your vessel will have total 2 liters, because 1 liter plus 1 liter becomes 2 liters of acid plus alcohol mixed to each other to form ester. So now the total mixture is taken for 2 liters. What will be the new concentration? According to that, new concentration of acetic acid will be equals to, new concentration of acetic acid is equals to number of moles by volume, and that is equals to the number of moles is 2. Now the new volume is 2, and the same way concentration of ethyl alcohol, the new concentration of ethyl alcohol, this is also taken as the number of moles is 3 by the total volume 2. Moving forward, now the initial rate. What is initial rate? This can be taken as rate 1 is equals to concentration of acetic acid into concentration of alcohol, which can be taken as rate 1 is equals to concentration is 2 by 2 into 3 by 2. So let us take this is equation with some rate constants, okay, multiplied with k. I missed out this into k, so k should also be there. So equation 1. Okay, let us come to now what we are going to do, second part. What is the second part? Equal volume of water. Equal volume of water is diluted or added. If equal volume of water is added, that means already you have 2 liter and you are going to add 2 liter of water to it. So if you are adding 2 liter of water, now the total volume becomes how much? 4 liters. So this becomes your new volume. This becomes your new volume. Then what will be your new concentration of acid becomes? New concentration of acid becomes initial number of moles 2 by the total volume becomes 4. Same way in concentration of alcohol becomes initial volume is 3 by total volume now becomes 4. So taking this forward, now the rate 2 will be taken as concentration K into concentration of CH3COOH. This is taken as nu into concentration of C2H5OH taken as nu, which is equals to K into, I can take this is a R2, K into 2 by 4 into 3 by 4. Let us take this is equation number 2. Now writing from this, R2 by R1 will be equals to, we are getting this now as 4 by 16, which is equals to 1 by 4, which is equals to 0.25. So rate 2 is 0.25 times rate 1. So let us see the answer for this. It is in option A. When equal volume of water is added, rate 2 becomes 0.25 times rate 1.